I am Ravi Handa. I am the founder of the website handakafanda.com. And welcome to this particular video on general knowledge for IIFT. In this particular video, we are going to talk about what the exam pattern has been, specifically for GK over the last couple of years. So, first of all, let's first try and analyze what has happened in the last 3 years, 2012, 13 and 14. If you notice that the total number of questions has remained between 25 and 30. So in 2012 it was 28, 2013 it was still 28, and in 2014 it was 26. Do keep in mind that all these questions were actually half mark questions, and with these half mark questions the total marks were 14, 14 and 13 in 2014. On the other hand, what was the cutoff? The cutoff in 2014 was around 2.5, 2.49 to be precise. And in 2012 and 13, it has still remained in that 2 to 2.5 range. I think in 2012, it was 1.8, or maybe that was 2013. The point that I am trying to make, however, is that the cutoff is typically around 4 to 5 questions. You just attempt 4 to 5 questions, you get them correct, and you will clear the cutoff. So there is no need to be worried about the cutoff. On the other hand, there are a lot of people that I know personally, quite a few of my students, they don't really bother about GK and they miss this very, very low cutoff also, and hence miss a chance at one of the top colleges like IIFT. So don't make that mistake. Put in a little bit of effort. You don't really need too much of effort to clear the cutoff at IIFT. Probably I'm making this video in August 10. So probably 1 hour a week from now on, and maybe just maybe in middle of October, you can start giving an half an hour or an hour a day towards GK, and that should be good enough. You don't really need hardcore GK prep, but you do need a little bit of prep. You can use our course for it. So coming to the point of the paper pattern, what I've done is I've divided the questions into various categories, as you can see here. So current affairs is further subdivided into generic current affairs. Say for example, this particular year, something like the Kraft merger. So Kraft merger would probably come in the business category. APJ's death is something which will come under the generic category. So that you can expect questions on that. Current affairs business is, say, stuff like mergers and acquisitions. Maybe there is a popular business book which has been released. There was a whole lot of issue regarding the net neutrality and various businesses and internet.org that by Facebook. So this kind of stuff will come under current affairs business. Awards. So you can expect a question on the Magsaysay Awards. 2 Indians won it this particular year. So there may be a question on it. And current affairs sports. So if you look at this particular part, the current affairs part, the generic part as well as the business part has been really, really popular in terms of current affairs over the last few years. There have been consistently questions on the award category and the sports category in IIFT as well. By the way, this table is available on my blog, so you can check that, download it, save it for future reference. Then there are questions on business and economy and terms and organizations. So let's say stuff about WTO, or what the SLR is, or what does CRR mean, and stuff like that. So you should be comfortable with them. Then sometimes there are questions on brands and companies. Say for example, Avio belongs to which particular brand, and Amaze belongs to which particular brand, or Kareena Kapoor is the brand ambassador of which particular brand, and stuff like that. Questions on that are also quite popular. Pure specific company related questions. So you can expect maybe something on the Google alphabet thing this particular year. And last year there were quite a few questions which were related to companies and businesses. Books is another popular category. Again, something by APJ might be asked this particular year. Geography is something again which was really popular in 2012 and 13. They asked questions like what's the coastline, and a little bit about rivers and mountains and stuff like that. 2014, not so much. Social welfare is again a popular category. Policies, environment, clean energy and stuff like that. There have been questions on history and science as well. Science, not so much, but the historical data, historical information has been quite popular. With this, I'd like to wrap up this short video on the IIFT GK pattern. I hope you learned something from this and you prepare accordingly. Best of luck. Thank you.